balik lagi ya di Going Solo. Lagi malam minggu nih. Dan beda seperti biasanya. Biasanya kan kalau podcast gue yang ngajak ya. Anak-anak gue yang nolak. Kali ini dia yang ngajak nih.
Iya dong.
Iya, emang mau ngomongin apa sih, Dek? Tumben ngomong ngajak duluan. Sebelum mulai, Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam.
Oke, iya, enggak ngomong di podcast, aku nggak cerita apa-apa.
Iya, udah, fokus aja.
Iya, jadi kenapa kok tumben kamu yang ngajak podcast duluan?
Nggak tahu.
Iya, katanya dia mau bahas soal EHB, evaluasi apa? Evaluasi apa namanya?
Evaluasi hasil belajar.
Kita lihat ada hasilnya nggak sih dia belajar selama ini? Gitu, ya. Jadi gimana, Dek? Kamu EHB itu mulai hari Senin ya?
Iya.
Berapa hari EHB-nya? 4 hari apa
sampai
aja?
Hari Senin, Rabu, Kamis, Jumat. Enggak Jumat, Jumat libur.
Ngaco. Coba diulang lagi.
Senin, Selasa, Rabu, Kamis.
Tadi Selasanya nggak ada. Iya, dia EHB itu 4 hari. Dan mulai hari ini dia udah belajar ya.
Iya.
Ya, hari ini belajar apa, Dek? Persiapan EHB.
Matematika.
Hari ini belajar matematika.
Sama nanti belajar religi dan
belajar religi.
Sosial.
Ngomongnya yang jelas dong.
Belajar religi dan sosial. Religi itu PAI ya guys.
Pendidikan agama itu.
Gitu.
Pendidikan agama Islam. Nah, terus kamu matematika belajar apa? Hari ini belajar apa? Apa yang dipelajari dari matematika?
Yang akar.
Akar
Iya,
apa? Akar rumput?
Iya, akar V.
Akar V?
Iya, akar terus ada akar gitu.
Oh iya.
V terus ada akar.
Oh, terus udah bisa?
Lumayan. Soalnya waktu di sekolah yang lain udah pada belajar tapi aku nggak masuk karena sakit, bukan bolos ya.
Jadi sebenarnya dia lumayan sering bolos karena diizinkan. Ya, mumpung masih kecil kan, sekolah belasan tahun masih ada sisa banyak, sekali-kali bolos mah nggak apa-apa. Dan ternyata pada saat dia nggak masuk ada pelajaran tentang akar bulu hidung. Dan jadi dia terpaksa belajar tentang akar hari ini. 64 akarnya berapa?
Hah?
Akar dari 64?
64 akarnya
ya. Grogi kalau depan kamera.
6 kan?
Ngaco.
Berapa?
Hah?
Berapa?
8.
Ya beda 2 lah.
Beda 2 ya. Matematika itu adalah ilmu eksakta, ilmu pasti. Artinya jawabannya itu nggak boleh kira-kira, nggak boleh beda 1 beda 2, harus A pas. Atau B atau C, harus pas, nggak lebih nggak kurang. Nah, kalau akar dari 49 berapa? 49 tuh. Dihitung, jangan nebak ya. Aduh.
Apa? Ada bulu.
Ada cabe. Ada cabe. Iya, akar dari 49 berapa? 49 7. Akar dari 36? 36 berarti ya 6. Nah, akar dari 100? 10. Oke.
Kok aku mikir ya?
Lumayan. Emang harusnya apa? Nggak jeplak gitu?
Enggak.
Ya, bener, emang harus mikir.
Aku bingung. 100 kan gampang.
Mungkin karena ayah kamu menyeramkan jadi kamu bingung, grogi.
Enggak.
Atau mungkin kamu grogi karena kamu hari ini belum lihat WhatsApp.
Apa sih? Udah.
Oke, nah terus ini kan EHB kan berarti 4 hari itu pelajarannya ada banyak, Dek. Iya. Pelajaran yang kamu paling senengin apa, yang paling kamu tunggu-tunggu? Inggris kamu paling seneng? Iya. Kenapa? Dan paling jago itu. Jago itu menurut kamu atau memang berdasarkan nilai-nilai kamu yang benar jago? Emang berdasarkan nilai-nilai aku. Jago?
Paling tinggi 9.
So let's continue the podcast in English, shall we?
Okay.
Okay,
That's
so what other than English, what is your other favorite
Favorite.
subject?
Okay. Math.
Math?
Yeah, math.
You like math?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
which part of math do you like? The akar one?
Oh, no.
Huh? You said you like English, so we talk in English. Huh?
Yes, but I don't know which part.
I don't know. You just like math.
Yes.
Okay, English, math, any other subject that you like?
No.
No, only those two
Yes.
subjects, English and math. And for English, how is your grade so far?
Great.
Yes, the score for your test, for your daily.
For English or
Yes, for English only.
English
Is it
only?
good?
Yes.
Okay, a scale from 1 to 100 or 1 to 10?
What do you mean?
Repeat
Repeat it.
It's
What?
okay.
What? Pardon me.
Pardon, I beg your pardon. Pardon me.
I beg your pardon.
It's okay. Salah is okay as long it's for learning, you know. Look at that, your sister belum mandi, baru pulang nongkrong. Huh? Huh? Okay, just ignore.
Just
The sister
ignore.
the sister thinks that she's a grown up already, so she doesn't want to talk with her daddy on the podcast
Daddy.
anymore. Okay, so how is your scores on your English?
1 to 100.
Yes. So long, yeah. I think I'm going to fall asleep now.
I think
Don't think.
the
Where's your data based on your real data?
96.
96?
Yes.
You got 96?
96, 94.
94 too? Okay, that's quite nice. So, during the preparation for the EHB, you cannot play the console. Right? You cannot play Xbox. You cannot play PlayStation. What do you think about that?
I think
Are you sad for not be able to play PlayStation or Xbox during the EHB period?
yes, I'm so sad.
You're so sad. Why don't you cry? Don't cry for me, Arj.
Why Argentina, not Indonesia?
Because you play with Argentina a few months ago when I
Few
defeat
months.
you
Few years.
when we play FC 25 or 24. Okay, so do you think by not playing the console, do you think it will help you to learn to study better?
I don't know. Maybe yes. Maybe no.
yes, maybe no. Why maybe no?
I don't know. Because it's not fun to not play console.
Okay, so when you have your fun, does it make you study better or make you lose focus instead?
I don't know. I don't know.
Okay, so now I'm going to poo.
Oh, okay.
I'm
Right.
going to the German call it beol. So we need to stop our podcast right now.
Okay.
You study well, you study hard, make sure you are focused,
Yes.
do your AHB, do
Maybe.
your EHB very well,
EHV.
EHB. After that, we're going to play FC 25.
Okay.
Maybe we buy some Monster Hunter.
Oh, are you sure?
No, not really. I'm really not sure because I really want to buy a drone or an
Drone?
RC or car RC cars or Monster Hunter. I don't know. just make sure you do your EHB very well, and then after that we decide. Okay?
Okay,
Say goodbye.
goodbye.
Assalamualaikum.
Good night.
Evening.
I-
Dadah.
Bye.